Oh, hey, how's it going? I didn't see you there. I'm just laying in my unlimited flower bed. Do you want an unlimited flower garden? And give your wife bouquets and flowers for life and never miss Valentine's Day again. Or do you have a husband that you want to give you flowers for life? If so, send him this video. All you need is 500 square feet of dirt and $500. If 500 sounds like a lot, I'm gonna walk you through the math. The average price of a bouquet of flowers is $30, and that's assuming you get common flowers, not rare ones, which can get up to over $100. And the average price for a dozen roses is $90. Now, if you're buying a bouquet on your wife's birthday, Valentine's Day, anniversary, Mother's Day, and that time of month where you need to ask for forgiveness, that's at least $150 of bouquets. And that doesn't include your time, the tax on the purchase, gas money, wear and tear on the vehicle, etc. So in 3 years, you'll pay off your investment. Those 2,000 bulbs are gonna produce 2,000 flowers a year. That's 167 bouquets of flower a year. Wanna get lucky 167 times a year? Or just 5 times a year on holidays? If you get lazy one year and don't water your flowers, they'll still come back the next year. We have flowers that were planted here before we bought this property 8 years ago. We've never watered them once, and they come back every single year. But you're gonna wanna water your flowers so they bloom every year. We've got wild perennials that come back every year, like wild tiger lilies. We also have wild roses out here as well, and they're never watered. So go to Holland Bulb Farms and order yourself 2,000 bulbs today. Link in the description below. Choose your desired varietals. We picked daffodils, tulips, lilies, and irises, and we got a variety of different colors in all of them. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and a flower field is way better than a bouquet. Make a happy wife and happy life permanent. All you need is 500 square feet and $500. Peace. God bless. This might be the coolest tulip right here. A lot of these pink and white ones. These very cool. Like orange or pink ones that are really cool too. You get these daffodils. You got the all yellow ones, like this one. Then we got these kind of like ones with that little orange one in the middle. Then we got these white tulips that start to open up. They look like a different type of flower.